How to program automatic mode. Setting the date and time. Press the mode key for 10 seconds. After 5 seconds, the screen will display the text Wi-Fi INI. Keep pressing the mode key for 5 seconds more. When you release it, the day of the week will blink on the screen. In the example, the number 4 appears, which means that day 4 is on screen. By pressing the arrow keys, you can change the number forwards or backwards to select the actual day of the week. Press the on-off key to confirm. When you have confirmed the day of the week, the hour digits blink. You can change the digits up and down with the arrow keys and confirm by pressing the on-off key. When you have confirmed the hour digits, the minute digits blink. You can change the digits up and down with the arrow keys and confirm by pressing the on-off key. Once this is done, you can enter the weekly and daily programming part from here. If you want to avoid programming settings at this point, you can press the mode key twice. Before continuing with programming settings, we will explain the different working temperatures that can be assigned to each hour. For each hour, you can choose between 3 temperature options. Comfort temperature is displayed with a sun icon on the screen. It is selected as the desired room temperature. Economy temperature appears as a moon icon on the screen. It is used at night or during short absences. It is always 3 degrees Celsius below comfort temperature. Frost protection is shown as an ice icon on the screen. It is the standby temperature and prevents the room from falling below 7 degrees Celsius.